Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna explore Warorot Market. I hope I pronounced it right. So it's a local spree shopping. So you kind of get all the good stuff there, like for dead cheap. So I got to know that you get all these Thai silk and Thai clothing for like under 100 baht or under 200 baht, which you never get it anywhere. And usually you find the pricing like outside here to be like 700 800, but you get all those stuffs for like 100 and under 200 baht, right? So I really hope this is going to be an interesting video for you. And also there's a lot that you can kind of uncover in this. Maybe you wouldn't even thought of getting some clothes or probably a souvenir, right? But I'm sure this is gonna open up the mind, and maybe you would want to kind of bag some of those stuff that I'm gonna show you, right? So yeah, I haven't even started the video and I got a couple of stuff with me already, so which is pretty cool. That's how much the video is gonna be good, I guess. I'm hoping so, at least. So yeah, stay tuned to what you have coming up in this, and then let's walk to right to get some good deal. So this is how it looks outside, guys. I plan on getting inside. I get a lot of traditional vibes here, guys. It's pretty dope. It's so cheap, man. Market's so cheap. I can imagine the prices of these. $1.99. Interesting. Do you guys take card?
Yeah.
Do you guys take card?
No.
You don't take card, only cash.
Yeah, only cash.
Is there a money changer here, like?
This SCB bank. You walk this way, huh?
Okay.
1 minute.
1 minute. So
Yeah.
there's a currency.
SCB bank.
SCB bank.
Yes.
So they take dollars.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I'll get that in. Okay. Okay. Oh, pretty cool stuff here as well. So I'll go forward. Gonna be a long walk, guys. Oh wow. Okay, I think this is the place where you all need to kind of calm down, because it's pretty cheap, guys. You'll never find these prices elsewhere. And I know, should I say Thailand, but at least I haven't seen these kind of prices, because I have been to like hundreds and hundreds of night market, guys, and this is the best prices that I can see here. What can you expect to get out of 50 baht? And that's what you get here. So I really hope you're kind of liking the video and where it's kind of headed to. Like, just look at the way how places are here. It's pretty cool. It's kind of reminding me of Vietnam. think it's the way how they have kind of designed in the very short space and kind of made use of space as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Everything that I see is under like 20 or 10k, sorry, 10 baht. Got my currency exchange. The current price here, it's for $100 it's 31.02. So yeah, guys, baht is getting stronger. It's not a good thing for most of us here. So yeah, man, like I've seen like the prices were starting from like 2.32, 2.27, and right now it is 2.72 or 74. Oh, that's a lot of money, guys. Like, trust me, like I do remember. So guys, I do remember like getting 2.2, 2.3, and right now I'm paying a lot of money for this, which is sort of crazy, man. So guys, there you go. I got my pad thai, and that's like the sides they have given for the. Yeah. So this is what I've got. So I'm gonna finish heating this up real quick and then get back with it. I'll try not to give any voiceover so you guys can kind of get the raw stuff here. Hello. Guys, I'm in middle of. I don't think I need to even go to another place to get any stuff. So if you want to buy anything, buy stuff or a souvenir or anything, guys, just don't go to Bangkok or any other spot. I know I'm saying this, but just come here. They have nail art and stuff also. A good fabric. I know this video can get a little bit lengthy, but I think I need to capture all the moments so you know what to expect. Yeah, a lot of jewelry as well. So to all the chicks out there, I'm sorry, sorry. So to all the chicks out there who kind of promotes Platinum Mall and the other malls, I don't know, I wish you all could see this video. This stuff gonna be heavy for me to carry. If not, I would have got a bunch of these. Dried fish. Someone who actually love Thai designs, the local stuff, but I'd highly recommend you to kind of come here and then kind of grab these things. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video gave you some insight on like what you can expect in Chiang Mai from a local shopping spree. So I really hope you love it, and I know this video is a little bit lengthy, but I kind of wanted to capture everything for you all so you know what to get right. So thank you so much once again for watching, guys. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.